Replace container and adjust inventory. The stock level on the screen is incorrect. This can happen when the container was replaced without registering it on the pump. For pumps with a single product setup, go to Settings, Product Settings. For pumps with multiple products, first select the desired product from the main screen, then Settings, Product Settings. First, perform a container replacement by following these steps. Press Settings. Press Product Settings. Press Replace Container. Press Next. Press Adjust Inventory. Enter the inventory there is in the can. Press Next. Confirm the changes are correct. Press Next. Other possible causes for incorrect stock levels. The pump may not be properly calibrated. Perform a calibration by following the calibration video. The suction hose might not reach the bottom of the container. Adjust the hose by following the Adjust Suction Hose video.